Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to start reviewing for June 2019 Regent for Algebra 1. The first question we have, solve for x. So the first step, I'm going to distribute -2/3 all over the parentheses. So -2/3, +2/3 cancel out, and -2/3 times 12 is giving me -8 equal to -5/4x plus 2. I can subtract both sides by 2, so -5x/4 equal to -10. Multiply both sides by 4, so -40 equal to -5x divided by -5, x equal to 8. X equal to 8. So that's for question 25. Question number 26. If C equal to G minus 3f, find the trinomial that represents C when f equal to 2x squared plus 6x minus 5 and G equal to 3x squared plus 4. So C equal to G minus 3f. The G was 3x squared plus 4. Here is minus 3. The f was 2x squared plus 6x minus 5. I'm going to distribute the -3. So -3 times 2, -6x squared, -3 times +6, -18x, -3 times -5 is +15. Alike terms, so +3 x squared, -6x squared giving me -3x squared. -18x because it's the unique term, doesn't have a like. 4 plus 15 is +19, so that's the trinomial represent the C. Question number 27. Question number 27 is a piecewise function. Look here, so we have absolute value for x on the domain -5 and 2. So what does it mean? Here is the x value, here is the y value. So I have -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So it's giving me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. So when I go for the other part, it's -2x plus 10 on the domain 2 and 6. So here is the x value, here's the y value, and I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when it's 2, 2 times -2 is -4 plus 10 is 6. When it's 3, 3 times -2 is -6 plus 4, 10 is 4. When x is 4, 4 times -2 is -8 plus 10 is 2. When it's 5, 5 times -2 is -10 plus 10 is 0. 6 times -2 is -12 plus 10 is -2. So we get the all points. So I'm going to start when it was -1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5, it was 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's, sorry, that's the first. Okay. This was 5 and -5, 4 and negative 4. Okay. 3 and negative 3. Negative 2 and 2. Negative 1 and 1. 0 and 0. 1 and 1. 2 and 2. And I have to connect the line. But I have something to remember. The 2 isn't included in the part for absolute value for x. Now I'm going to the other one. 2 and 6. Okay. 3 and 4. 4 and 2. 5 and 0. 6 and negative 2. And I connect all the line, and that's negative 2x plus 10. So the trick here for this part should be hollow because it's not a part for resolution for absolute value for x. Question number 28. Solve 5x squared equal to 180 algebraically. So I divide by 5. So x squared equal to 36, taking the square root. So when I take the square root, I have positive and negative value because of both of them is going to work because the square cancels the sign. So I have plus or minus 6. Question number 29. Now, the trick here, this is 12-hour system. I have to convert it 24-hour system. So what does it mean? This hour is 15 on the 24. So on 1 o'clock, so 12 to 1, sorry, he wanted to see the interval, which one has the greatest. So I have from 12 noon to 1 a.m. The value at 12 noon was 33. The value at 1 was 1. So it's 32 over 11. Now I'm going from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. 3 p.m. is 15 minus 6. At 3 p.m. it was 36. At 6 a.m. it was 11. So in that case, it's giving me 25 over 9. Now, this one is almost 2.7 round. This one is going to be 2 point. I think I have to do the calculation using the calculator. I know it's close to so 32 over 11. I know it's close to the 1 and the 3. 32 over 11, 2.9. 2.9. So that one, 2.9. So this interval from 1 a.m. to 12 noon has the greatest rate of snow. Question number 30. You want to change the formula and the term of h. So the first thing, I'm multiplying both sides by 3. So 3v equal to pi r square h. After that, I divide by pi r square. So in that case, h equal to 3v divided by pi r square. Query 1. That's a recursive formula. Okay. So we wanted to know what is the value for a2. According to the formula, it's 2. a2 minus 1 plus 1. So it's 2 a1 plus 1. So it's 2 3 plus 1 giving me 8. A3 equal to 2. A3 minus 1 plus 1. So it's 2. A2 plus 1, which is 2 times 8 plus 1, which is 18. For A4, it's 2. A4 minus 1 plus 1. So it's 2. A3 plus 1. So it's 2. 18 plus 1, which is 38. And these are the values for the equation for E2, E3, E4. Question number 32. Determine and set the vertex by completing the square. So x squared minus 2x in parentheses minus 8 outside. So negative 2 divided by 2 all square is going to be 1. So I have to add here 1, and since I added 1, I have to subtract 1. So it's a minus 1 squared minus 9. That's in the form x minus h squared plus k. So the h value is 1, and the k value is negative 9. So the vertex is 1 and negative 9, h and k. That was the last question for that part. Hope you understood. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.